everyone, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, affiliated to MSBT Mumbai, recognized by DT Government of Maharashtra and approved by AICTE New Delhi. Course Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, manufacturing and operation of machineries. This branch use concept of engineering, physics and material science for design, manufacturing operation and maintenance of mechanical systems. About department, duration 3 years, 6 semester, intake 120. The mechanical engineering department with total sanction intake of 120 students. The department offers 3 years post SSC diploma program. The curriculum is updated regularly with inputs from the industry and alumni of the institute and continues to maintain its strong link with industry and academics. The department has a highly qualified and well experienced teaching and non-teaching staff. The department has an excellent infrastructure and labs are well equipped with latest instrument. Subjects in each year: first year 2 semester, semester 1, semester 2. In semester 1, subjects are English, basic science, basic mathematics, fundamental of ICT, engineering graphics, workshop practice. In semester 2, subjects are applied science, applied mechanics, applied mathematics, engineering drawings, business communication using computer, mechanical engineering workshop. Second year mechanical engineering, semester 3, semester 4. In semester 3, subjects are strength of material, basic electrical and electronics, thermal engineering, mechanical working drawing, engineering metrology, mechanical engineering materials. In semester 4, subjects are theory of machine, mechanical engineering measurement, fluid mechanics and machineries, manufacturing process, environmental studies, computer design, drafting, fundamental of mechatronics. Third year mechanical engineering, semester 5, semester 6. In semester 5, subjects are management, power engineering and refrigeration, advanced manufacturing process, element of machine design, power plant engineering, solid modeling and additive manufacturing, industrial training, capstone project planning. In semester 6, emerging trends in mechanical engineering, industrial hydraulics and pneumatics, automobile engineering, industrial engineering and quality control, renewable energy technology, entrepreneurship development, capstone project execution and project writing, report writing. This is a mechanical laboratory, power engineering lab, CNC lab, strength of material lab, theory of machine lab, workshop, drawing hall, and so on. College level activities: Engineers Day, Industry Expert Lecture, Industrial Visit, Workshop, Technical Paper Presentation, Technical Quiz Competition, Project Competition, Internship, and so on. Students' Achievement: Students won the third prize at National Level Project Exhibition in VVP Institute of Engineering and Technology, Solapur. Students won the first prize with 2000 cash at State Level Project Exhibition, College Government Polytechnic, Mumbai. Placements: Name of student Ritesh Chaudhary, company name Micromatic ACE Private Limited, location Thane and package with 2.9. Name of student Akshay Pujari, company name Lixel Window Private Limited, location Pune, package 2.5. Name of student Shreyas Yadav, company name Lixel Window Private Limited, location Mumbai, package 2.5. Our recruiters ACE Micromatic Group, Lixel, link to Good Living. Mechanical engineering scope in different industries. First, automotive industry. Second, meteorological industry. Third, power and energy industry. Fourth, machine manufacturing industry. Fifth, steel industry. Sixth, glass manufacturing industry. Seventh, cement industry. Eighth, chemical industry, and so on. Opportunities after completing diploma: job in government sector such as Indian Oil, BHEL, NHAI, Indian Railway, ONGC, and etc. Job in private sector: mechanical engineering, can work as production engineer, maintenance engineer, installation, automobile engineer, process control engineer, quality control engineer, CAD specialist, piping engineer, aeronautical engineer, contractor, and so on. Or mechanical engineer can be a self-employed. Our college name: Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Address: Mahavidyalay Marg, Navgar, Bhayandar East, Thane 401105. Email ID: info@prppolytechnic.com. Website: www.prppolytechnic.com. Thank you.